Welcome back, Nail Queens. Your favorite winter holiday countdown box is back with a new theme this year. This is the Box of Merry from Maniology, meaning there's going to be 12 amazing, unique items in this box for your winter holiday manis. So if you want to get this box and not be spoiled by anything that's in it, just click on the link in the description box below. I'm gonna have a discount code there for you to save some money on it as well, and just click off this video and be surprised. But if you don't like surprises and you want to know everything that is in this box, keep on watching. Yes, it might still be spooky season, but we have to prepare in advance, okay? So let's get started. First of all, I just love like the monochrome, like the where it's blue and blue on top of it, that style. I love it. I really hope there's themes like that going on in this box. But let's unveil your happy holidays. Oh, so gorgeous. It kind of reminds me of the oh, this is the cutest little sticker. It reminds me of It's a Small World ride at Disneyland. Love that place. Before I unveil this, I'm basically going to tell you about this book. It comes in every single Maniology countdown boxes, and it takes you through a cute little riddle or a poem every single day. And so what I'm going to do is I'm going to read the poem, and then I'm going to unveil whatever item came in that version of the box. So let's get started. I'm going to move this out of the shot. So the Maniology Box of Merry Countdown book starts with, in a realm far north where snowflakes beam, legends whisper of Northern Gleam, a light that dances across the skies, seen once a year by creative eyes. One Mani muse with polish-stained hands set out to find these distant lands. Without stamping tools but her heart aglow, she followed where the gleam would go. So for day one, through frosted woods with quiet grace, she met bright creatures in a snowy place. Foxes, seals, and reindeer too, all etched in winter's storybook view. So here is day one. Ooh, yes. Oh, I love this. So many, oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. So you got the seals. First of all, those are beautiful. Can we just admire the seals real quick? I'm just gonna put the plate in plain view like this so you can see everything. So you've got seals, trees, birds, penguins, foxes, bears, all the things here, and it really goes into that monochrome theme that I was speaking of earlier. Day 2. A shimmer beneath the icy crust revealed a tool made of crystal dust. With gentle hands she swept with care and left her nails pure, smooth, and bare. Alright, so here is day 2. I wonder what kind of tool this could be. So let's unveil it together. Glass cuticle remover. I needed a new one anyways. Yes. Explains the pure, smooth, and bare part. I love glass cuticle removers. Just pushing gently on the cuticle that's on the nail plate. They're very, very gentle yet effective at the same time. So this is a great, great tool. If you need the instructions, here is how to use it. I love it. I love the slanted end and the pointy end. I use them both. The pointy end specifically to get in the corners of the nails, and the slanted end just to get on the surface of the nail. So this is a great tool, great to have in your nail arsenal. Let's open day 3. Snowflakes twirled in perfect design, each one etched like a frozen sign. Their lacy forms in silver bloom sparkle beneath the winter moon. So here is day 3. It's another stamping plate, and as you could imagine, it's all these beautiful snowflakes. Also, that is my, oh my gosh, my favorite design on the plate is this one. Yep, already. So I'm gonna hold the plate like this so you can get a view of all the snowflakes, but look how beautiful they are. I also love like this reverse gradient style they have, and how crystally, like these really give off crystal snowflakes, like Ice Queen vibes. Day 4. In a cabin warm from winter's sting, she paused for care and nurturing. Soft freesia bloomed in a floral vase, a touch of spring in a frozen place. Here is day 4. It feels kind of heavy. Is this like cuticle oil? Floral vase, touch of spring in a frozen place. Yes, it is frosted freesia. Let's smell this. It is the cuticle oil. Ooh, this smells really good. Oh, that smells really, really good. Day 5. By silent lakes where icebergs rest, she found a polish, blue and blessed. It mirrored skies at twilight's seam, a frozen dusk, an inky gleam. So day 5, based on it, says it's a polish. And here's what the packaging looks like. I love the whole green vibe to it. Green, I feel like this color green is not used a lot in winter. Ooh! Okay, so this color is called Icy Sky. It's a nice frosted blue, and it has a shimmer to it. Oh, it has a beautiful pearlescent shimmer that is so hard to pick up on camera, but it's there. Oh, that's gorgeous, and it's so creamy. Love that color. Day 6. She crossed a gate where silence grew and found a garden dressed in icy dew. Snowflakes bloomed on the petals fair, a floral frost in frozen air. I think there's going to be something floral in day 6. But don't count on me. Oh, I love the cuticle tip stuff. Ooh, what are those called? The pine cones. Love that. Oh my goodness. Poinsettias. They are so beautiful. Love the French tip designs. Ooh, especially that one. Especially that. Hold on, let's hold it still for you so you can see. Love that design, and I love that it's like coming in 3 different sizes for larger thumbnails, regular size, and then smaller. So it's going from larger to smaller. That's why there's 3 different sizes. Ooh, yeah. Love these, love these. Day 7. From drifting winds, a message fell, a plate of wishes, warm and well, framed in joy and phrases bright, each stamped with cheer and holiday light. Oh my gosh, I can't believe we're going through the stamping plates this fast. Ooh, that's what they were talking about, frames. You have each of these frames and you can put a little word inside if you want to. Love, 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 love that. I honestly love all of them. Ooh, that one's so cute. Oh, holly jolly joy. Ooh, these are so cute. Ho, ho, ho. I love the font they use for fa la la, Noel, joy, holly jolly. Like, these fonts are my vibe. Yes, I love this. I love the frames. They're so beautiful. Day 8. A dust of starlight in her hand gave every nail a shimmered strand. She brushed the gleam in swirling flight. Now even shadows shimmered light. So here is day 8. Oh, I hate ripping the beautiful stickers. I wonder if it'll be a chrome. Oh, it is. Ice crystals. I love their chromes. I use them so freaking much in my nail art. So much. You have no idea. Oh my gosh. Look at that. It's a flaky. It's a flake. It probably burnishes into a really pretty chrome, but like, it really is like ice crystals. Look at that. Dare I? Dare I? Ooh, look at those flakes. Ooh, gorgeous. Yes. Day 9. On crystal peaks kissed by snow, she found a stamper sealed below. Clear and sharp, its icy hold pressed winter's art in perfect bold. Okay, so I already know this is a stamper because day 9, obviously. It's an ice cube stamper, so it's the square ones. Oh, yes, I love this color. I'm immediately retiring my old stampers for this one. This color is, oh, if I had a favorite color in the whole world of a shade of blue, it is this shade of blue. It's like, this shade of blue is my absolute favorite shade of blue. It is gorgeous, absolutely gorgeous. And, oh, I love it, I love it. I want to do nails like this immediately in the shade of blue. Yes, please. Day 10. In piney woods where silence grew, a gleam of green came into view. With every stroke, her spirit sang. The forest echoed as branches rang. So day 10 is another stamping polish. And let's see what shade it is. I think it's going to be green. A gleam of green. Ooh, another pearlescent shade. So this one's called Evergleam. Love that. So I don't know if you can catch the pearlescentness right there, where the light catches it a little bit. Oh, that's such a gorgeous shade of green, perfect for winter designs, because winter doesn't have to be the dark, dreary colors that I absolutely love, by the way. But this one's called Evergleam. If you guys want to buy it after it's released, we'll see if it's available. Day 11. The sky unfurled in purple streams, a curtain drawn on twilight dreams. She captured the light with polish rare, a veil of glow upon the air. So day 11 is another stamping polish. So let's see what shade. If it's not purple, I will be surprised. Yes, it is. And there we go. That pearlescentness that you can obviously see now more because this is a darker shade. It's very obvious in the bottle, but all three stamping polishes have that pearlescent hue to it. This one has like green pearlescent, this one has a blue, and this one is, I think it's like a green from this point of view. And there it is. Such a beautiful shade. Will go great with your winter manicures. And this one is called Aurora Veil. Day 12. Her journey ended, her tools in tow. She found a box where wonders go. Each plate, each polish tucked inside. A tale well told, a heart with pride. So if you don't know, Maniology typically releases some kind of fun storage binder with their stamping plates. And this one, oh, that's such a cute design. Yes! I love that they did this. Look at this pattern. Look at this pattern. It is gorgeous. So anyways, what I like to do with every single box of whatever it is, box of Mary, box of Magic, box of Night, like whatever box they do that they release the plate holder in, I like to put those plates from that box inside here. So what you do is you take it out and you slide it right in. So whenever it's like my collector's item that I keep on the bookcase, and whenever I need plates that are from this box, I pull them off the bookcase. So I love being able to collect these, and this is what they're held in. So it's like my little exclusive book for it. I love it. I love it. I love it. Oh, this is wonderful. Anyways, we're gonna go through the last bit, and then it's great because if you buy any more plates, you can store them in here if you don't use them like this. But if you're like a mild collector, or you want to hold what plates you got that year, you could. There's more room for more plates if you needed them. There we go. Look at that. Look at that gorgeousness. But now that we've unveiled the 12th item, it's time to read the rest of the book because there actually is more. To follow light where few dare go and find herself in stars and snow. 12 gifts in hand, her journey's done. She watched the gleam, now fully spun. With magic etched in every plate and polished dreams to decorate, she whispered thanks into the air for joy, for peace, and art to share. So here is some inspiration on what you could do with the plates. Holly jolly! See, look, you do a French tip design and you put that on the Frenchies. So it gives you how to use this design specifically, this one right here, where you paint the nail all green, yes. And then you use black for the negative space and then fill in the red parts. So that is beautiful. Here's the snowy magic design. So you got the, I feel like Elsa vibes, to be honest. And they tell you how to do the gradient with a sponge, add the flakes, and then stamp the design. So here is a catalog of all the products, and it lets us know which ones are exclusive to the box. So in here, the box exclusives are going to be the stamping plate number 1, stamping plate number 3, the ice crystal flakes, the ice cube stamper and scraper, and the mini plate holder. So these are the ones that are exclusive to the box. Plate 1 and 3, which obviously I put them in here. The scraper, the stamper, and the flakes. So those are exclusive to the box. What is not exclusive to the box is the glass cuticle pusher. Love that. The cuticle oil is exclusive as well. That's exclusive. Oh, it smells so good. The Icy Sky stamping polish. All the stock stamping polishes are not exclusive, so these 3 are going to be available for later for purchase if you want them. What else is not? And then what plates? Number 6 and 7 are not exclusive. So these are not exclusive to the box. They'll be available for purchase later on. But if you wanted the other 2 stamping plates, the snowflakes and the animals, these only come with the box. So these are exclusive to the box, and yeah, that would make me buy it. This one alone and that design right there would make me buy it. I love this plate, especially those snowflakes right there. They're gorgeous. They're so stunning. So yeah, that is everything for now. Definitely love this box. They tell you more about the products, and here at the back you can swatch, stamp, or jot down notes. You can use that as like a free page to do whatever you want, which is really nice to have, because sometimes we have ideas, we want to trial things, but we don't want to try them on our nails, and we don't want to we want the ideas to live somewhere, right? So having that extra page is nice. Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I would love to know all your thoughts on what you thought about the items in this box. Which one is your favorite? Which one is your least favorite? Are you getting the box, or are you waiting until items are released individually? Let me know in the comments below. I love hearing from you guys. And as always, thank you so much for watching my channel. If you love this video, hit subscribe, because I have new content coming out almost every single month. Alright, have a great one. Bye!